moving. Dancing in my room, swaying my feet. Trying to get you love and a kiss on the cheek. Cotton candy skies like I'm stuck in a...
Fidget trading with my sister.
What will you offer for the Dimple Digits?
I'll give you this really good rainbow poppet, this infinity cube, and a tangle.
I accept.
Yay. I'll give you my carrot squishmallow if you could give me your carrot poppet and something small.
Sure. I'll also offer you this Slinky.
Can I have something else instead of the Slinky?
Fine, I'll offer you these acupressure rings.
Deal. This poppet is so good.
I'm not really interested in these anymore, so can you give me something for them?
I don't really want them either, but I can give you this cat mochi.
Okay, whatever.
Do you have anything good for these two poppets?
I'll give you this Dimple and this Orbeez pineapple.
Wait, that's actually like such a good deal. I accept. This is so nice. I know you've been wanting a DNA ball, so what can you give me for it?
I'll give you a Nido.
Can you add?
Fine, I'll add a simple dimple.
Deal!
Guys, I've been playing with these same fidgets for like the past 3 hours. And I see like a Charlie fan page right in front of me. And she looks like she's obsessed with fidgets. And I'm gonna try to trade her. Hey, can I offer for you 2 mini poppets?
Sure, but offer something really good because these are my favorite mini poppets.
Okay, sure thing. I'll give you this infinity cube.
That's too cheap.
Ugh, so selfish. Second attempt. Can I offer for you a simple dimple right there?
Sure, but which one? Because I have 2.
The pink and blue.
Okay, make sure to offer something really good because you didn't offer anything super good like last time.
Okay, I'll offer in this tangle.
Why do your trades suck?
Guys, she's so rude. Okay, last try. Can I offer for your classic dimple?
Sure, but I already know I'm gonna decline it.
I'll offer in these 2 fidgets.
Decline.
Oh my god. Okay, since that girl is so rude, I just came up with the best idea. Trading this infinity cube that Charlie D'Amelio touched.
Oh my gosh, I'll give you everything.
So easy.
Fidget trading with my sister. Can I offer for your DNA ball?
Sure.
Okay, I'll give you a banana Orbeez ball, a blue pop tube, and a wacky track.
Deal. This is so good.
Yes.
Can I have this orange poppet?
Okay, what would you offer for it?
I'll give you this poppet and 3 monkey noodles.
This is like my favorite poppet, so can you add?
Fine, I'll give you these 2 mochis and this simple dimple.
Just because your fish died yesterday, I'll accept.
What would you give for these purple and green mini Nidos?
I will give you this blue mini Nido and this orange mini Nido and a black bike chain. Do you accept?
Yeah.
Yay.
I really like this infinity cube, so can you give me something good for it?
I'm feeling really nice today, so I'll give you this dimple and this fidget spinner for the infinity cube.
Oh my gosh, really? Deal.
Fidget trading with my sister. What will you give me for these 2 swirl Nidos?
I'll give you a DNA ball and a bubble Nido.
Oh my gosh, yes, I accept.
I have a lot of pink fidgets, so what will you give me for this pink fidget pack? It includes poppets, a bubblegum Nido, a tangle, and a pop tube.
Oh my gosh, those have some of my dream fidgets. I'll give you these blue poppets, this blue color changing Nido, and this blue triple dimple. So basically blue fidget pack for pink fidget pack.
I accept!
What's your offer for 3 of the new simple dimples?
For that, I will give you 2 fidget spinners and 2 simple dimples.
Yes, I accept.
I have this Orbeez stress ball and this really clear slime for trade.
I'll give you this DIY Orbeez stress ball and this paw print mochi.
Add.
I'll add a tangle.
Gimme!
Fidget trading with my sister. She's going to offer first.
What are your offers for these triple dimples?
I'll give you these 2 simple dimples.
Can you add something small?
I can add a blue bike chain.
Deal.
I got this new card poppet today, so do you have any offers?
Wow, I'll give you this mini poppet and this dimple duo.
I accept.
Satisfying. Anyone want the squishmallow?
Oh my gosh, yes, that's like so rare. I'll give you my dimple digits, this slime, and this DNA ball.
Yes.
Oh my gosh, this squishmallow's so cute. Can I have your 2 glitter emojis for these 2?
Yes, but can you add something since mine are glittery?
I'll give you a pea popper. Do you accept?
Yes.
Do you have any offers for this infinity cube?
I'll give you this fidget pad and these 2 snakes.
Yes. Fidget trading with my sister. I know how much you want the Shaggy Neato, so what will you give me for this?
I'll give you a poppet, a dimple, and an infinity cube.
You're under. Add.
Fine, I'll add 2 Neatos.
Just because you're like really desperate, I'll accept.
Trading Squishmallow.
Oh my gosh, that's my dream Squishmallow. I'll give you a Dimple Duo, a yellow hexagon poppet, a DNA ball, and a blue pop tube.
Can you add a small thing?
Are you serious? I literally gave you a deal last time. Fine, I'll give you this green globble.
Yeah, that's good. I accept.
She made me overpay for this, but it's fine. Since you scammed me last round, you better give me something good for that Orbeez banana.
I'll give you a fidget cube, a pea popper, a splat ball, and a mesh ball.
Okay, that's fair.
Does anyone want this blue tingle?
I'll give you all of these things.
Deal!